From the beginning, it's always been about light shaping. It's what drives us. In 2017, we introduced the Profoto A1. Since then, countless image creators have been experimenting with light and light shaping. While the modifiers that complemented the A1 offered many creative possibilities, Profoto customers craved more. The Profoto OCF Adapter satisfies that craving by providing you with a way to use your A-series flash with our entire range of OCF modifiers. And with over 50 different types of modifiers, you have everything you need to turbocharge your creativity. You can add some punch with the OCF Magnum reflector, or create a soft and silky fashion style light with one of Profoto's OCF beauty dishes. And with the addition of an umbrella mount, the OCF Adapter has something for everyone. With the all-new Profoto OCF Adapter, the light shaping possibilities are endless.